Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today we are focusing more on New Year's backdrops. I will try to mix a last second Christmas backdrops, but mostly I will be focusing on New Year's and soon Valentine's Day backdrop. So if you're interested what this backdrop is gonna look like and what's going on, then stay tuned and let's get to it. For this backdrop, I will be using icicles. I don't know yet how much I will need, but I have 3 packs over here. I bought them at the dollar store. I already have pre-cut confettis or big circles. I already used them for one of the previous videos a while ago, so I saved them and I will be reusing them again. Then I have my lovely branch over here. I think I want to break this branch apart into 2 pieces. We'll see how it goes. And I do have my hot glue gun warming up already. So what I'm doing right now, I broke my branch into 3 pieces, and 2 of the branches I will tie it together so they can keep the shape just like that. Then I will use my fishing line to attach my branches to my backdrop just like this. I will be using safety pin. I will pin my safety pin to my fabric, then take my fishing line, wrap it around my branches and tie that fishing line that is attached to my branches on my safety pin. That way it will hold my branches in place and they will not go anywhere. Branch is here and I like what I see so far. Now I will be taking my confettis and my icicles and I will glue them with hot glue, or mainly focusing on these droopy parts of my branch. I want to make these icicles drooping like it's actual ice froze on trees, so I think it's gonna look great. So let's do this and I am so excited. Show you how I attach all of my icicles to my branch. I think this is the best way and the quickest way. So I chose a spot where I want to hang my icicles. Get your hot glue, put hot glue on your branch, grab a bunch of icicles that you want to hang, keep it just like that, and then wrap it around the glue on the branch and press. Here we go. Here you have your icicles on the branch. What I have for you guys today. Incredibly easy backdrop to make and very fast as well. All you need is 2 branches, some confettis, hot glue and icicles. That's all you need, and you're gonna have a very unique backdrop at your party. It's up to you how many icicles you want to hang. I thought this much looks good on my branches. Also, it all depends on you how many confettis you want to place on your branches. I ended up using 2 packs of icicles and I didn't count how many confettis I used. It's all up to you. I will play with some LED lights in the back and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. Also, if you're interested in these lights, I will list them in the description and down below. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my first New Year inspired backdrop. I think it's very simple, but it's enough and it's very cute. So in the comments down below, let me know what you think about this backdrop. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions, comment below. I'll be there to answer. And if you're here for the first time and you like what you see on my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I will link every single supply that I used for this backdrop in my description down below. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you back in my next video. Bye-bye.